Ooh, ooh. Okay, I'll stop. There you go. You can also see in the bag it's starting to rain now, so we have a curtain going. I'm gonna stay behind here though, chillax a bit. Yeah, there you go. This sucker's doing the do's. Not recording. There we go.
This is Storm Chaser Jacob capturing a potential.
Oh, hell. Yeah. Nope, we're out of here. It's okay. Oh, we're just gonna close Discord for a sec, so give me a moment. You understand why though. This thing is enchanté. So let's take a turn over here. This is not a dirt road. This is not. Let's go. This thing's awesome. Oh yeah, look at that tail. Yeah, this is trying to hook. That right there is what we gotta monitor. Oh, right underneath, right over us, right over us, right over us. Right over us, right over us. David! Oh my God. This idiot. We do. Oh, wow. Wow. What a storm. Hold on, wait. Turn on my camera. Look at the funnel. There it is. Oh, that might be on the ground. That might be on the ground. I can't tell if there's a dirt ball. That might be it. We have a possible, yeah, that might be it. We have a possible tornado on the ground. Look at that thing. We have a tornado coming down. Look at that thing. Look at it. Look at that thing. We have a tornado coming down. Look at that. Humongous! Woo! Yeah! Look at that! Look at that thing! Woo! Yeah! Yo! Yeah, everyone's coming here. Okay, this... I'm on 4, yeah. I'm gonna go north straight to, yeah. Yep. Yeah. Is... Oh, whoa! I'm back. At WX Earhart. Oh, wow. I'm actually